The process to submit student work samples to the ORSkills system is twofold. This video will cover the first step of checking out a prompt for each of your sections. The next video will cover the second step of checking in prompts and submitting student work samples. However, before you begin the checkout and check-in process, you need to do two things. First, create a PDF portfolio containing the prompt cover sheet, grade notification form, and student work for each of your students who were successful in the course. This is their work sample and must be submitted as one PDF file. Second, ensure that each student in your class is registered in the ORSkills system and added to your sections. Remember that if a student does not appear when you type search, they are not registered in ORSkills. When you log into the ORSkills system, you will be greeted with your dashboard. To open the specific section you want to work with, click on the eyeball icon next to the section title. Then, select the Checkouts tab on the right-hand side of your screen. Finally, click on the blue Checkout Prompt for Section button. At this point, you'll be directed to the prompt page. All the courses you teach through Western Oregon will be listed in the drop-down prompt menu, so when you are selecting prompts for your classes, it is imperative to check out the correct prompt for that section. For example, you wouldn't want to check out a Writing 122 prompt for a Writing 121 class. To complete this step, select the correct prompt from the drop-down menu, leave the scoring type as is, and click Submit to check out the prompt for that section. You will then be brought to the Checkout Group page, where you will be asked to submit or check in your student work samples in PDF format. This step can be done immediately or at a later date and is covered in the next video. For further questions, please contact us at willamettepromise@wesd.org.